Hi Kevin, and anybody else that's interested. We're going to do an unboxing of the new Google Nexus Player that's just arrived by UPS today. Comes in a small box, smaller than my hand. Picture of the remote and the unit on the front. This is model number TV500I-009. It's got HDMI, Bluetooth, it's recyclable, and it's UL listed. It's got a wireless LAN Mac and a Bluetooth Mac. Oop, that's French. On this side it says Your Entertainment, by Nexus. It personalized recommendations, voice search, and Droid gaming on the big screen, and cast your phone from your tablet. Featuring YouTube, Google Cast Ready, and get it on Google Play. Okay. We have a big P on the box. It's hard to see because it's embossed. For player, I assume. Gonna be a player here. Oh, and it's taped twice. Got some sticky dots. Just two. There it is right on the top. Nexus Player disc. Wrapped in protective plastic. Let's go ahead and take that off so we can see it in its greatness. It's kind of a sharp edge on the top. This is Nexus there. We have some more plastic to remove, including around the edges. Here we can see the HDMI port, the little USB port, and the power port. There's a push button on the bottom, made by ASUS. That's about it. Here we have the quick start guide. Super simple. Multilingual, because there's no lingual. Pressed cardboard. Here we have the remote. Push button thumb, rotator, back button, pause play, 0, and a voice search button. Buried underneath, we have an ASUS power cord, hard attached, and a round power connector. And also buried in the bottom are my Toshiba brand carbon zinc batteries for the remote, and some waste cardboard. And then finally, in the bottom of the box, we have the safety plus warranty in French and English. The important safety instructions, the Federal Communications Statements, the RF exposure warning, the Industry Canada warnings, and the ASUS recycling services. Okay, so that's what you get. Nexus Player, remote, batteries, cord, and some material for recycling. Now I'll go hook it up.